Law is command of sovereign and backed by sanction. Laws are rules and regulations for the administration of justice. Laws establish peace and protect the right and duties of individuals. Laws promote rule of law. All the laws are the subordinate of the Constitution. Laws are two main types, private and public, like tort law. Property laws, company laws, etc., are the made by legislation. Parliament legislate the laws, the laws. Sometime Parliament delegate his power to the autonomous bodies like universities, institutions. For result, these organizations make bylaws not above the real laws. Parliament passed the laws. These laws do give the decision, which become the precedents. Precedents are the previous decisio of the judges. Theses, precedents helps to decision. In new cases, precedents are the common laws. Precedents exits in different volume. And parliament laws are the civil laws, like 12 table. It exit in sections for criminal. Use these laws. Magna Carta is the first written charter, which give the first time concept of laws and rights. Raja John in 1215, he violate the rights of people. He crueled on the barons, then barons written document and signatured it. It promote the equality and gives the basic right to all individuals. It become the base of all other laws. When a person commit a crime, it becomes the state's against. That's why law protect to all individuals. Laws maintain peace and give complete protection to property laws, establish security, and regulate the society before the laws. Customs regulate the society. Increasing population laws became the essential part of society. Comes the states against. That's why law protect to all individuals, laws maintain peace, and give complete protection to property laws, establish security, and regulate the society. Before the laws, customs regulate the society. Increasing population laws became the essential part of society. Jurisprudence. We study property, which has two main kinds, corporal and incorporeal, tangible and intangible things. Persons has two main kinds, natural human and artificial person. Corporation and discus liability, that is not perform his duty perfectly when liability arises, in which include trespass, negligence, defamation. Absolute liability and vicarious liability. On the other hand, possession and ownership possession have limited physical control, with restriction ownership have absolute, indefinite, and without restriction control on objects. The owner can dispose and exhaust of things. We cover all topics in jurisprudence. Jurisprudence tells us Islamic sources of laws, which are qiyas, ijma, istahsan, istadlal, istaslah, and primary sources of law, Quran and Sunnah. We use these sources for Muslim Islamic laws. Here we study the punishments, had-tazir, retribution, and imprisonment. Here we know about human rights, obligations, duties, legal rights. This is called the eye of law and grammar of law. Basically, law is dynamic in nature. It changes with passage of time. Laws are the essential part of the society. Different laws used for different purposes, like text law, tort law, etc., and precedents used for the justice. And because precedents are those conditions of social life without which no man can seek in general to be himself at his best. Lasky 2. Rights are powers necessary for the fulfillment of man's vocation as a moral being. T.H. Green features nature of rights. Rights exist only in society. These are the products of social living. Limitations deemed essential for maintaining public health, security, order, and morality. Rights are inseparably related to duties. There is a close relationship between them. No duties, no rights, no duties. If I have rights, it must respect the rights of others in society. Rights become duty. All are those conditions of social life without which no man can seek in general to be himself at his best. Lasky 2. Rights are powers necessary for the fulfillment of man's vocation as a moral being. T.H. Green features nature of rights. Rights exist only in society. These are the products of social living. Law protect the human rights at the international level. UNO promote equality and solve the disputes of states. It give the right to all persons for agreement. The companies can import and export with other countries by using the treaties and customary laws due to the international law continuously working together.